Nauutos na ba kayo? Yes, me too. Na-overwhelming ako. My name is Maria Catherine de Almoranas, 1 year old. And I am graduate in grade 3 elementary school. But don't you worry, I can handle myself. And I am from Barangay Hall.